in YouTube. Second time I made a video. Alright, hello YouTube, YouTube Cools too. It's update 1, the snowstorm, well blizzard that's in New York City from January 21st, 22nd, 2014. This is 10 p.m. right now. I told you I was supposed to make a video at 5 p.m. and I didn't get the chance to, sorry about that. So it's 10 p.m. Snow is lighting up a bit, but it's going to get much heavier throughout the night. Again, it's super cold right now. Oh my lord. Feels about 0. I know the wind chill is like below 0 right now. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. I'm expecting to get to 11 to 14 inches, and right now you just see the drifts for the snow. It's pretty crazy drifts. A lot of people shoveling, so it looks like there's not a lot. There's a lot of snow actually. I'm thinking over here would be the best place to measure the amount of snow. See, I don't know, is it just drifting snow or so? Go ahead and do that. It's just all night tomorrow morning. School closings, maybe. Let's get some more. So as I said, it's gonna get much heavier at the end of the night again. So maybe get some thunder snow. Not maybe. They said it will happen. Sorry about that. Trying to get the tape measure out and lock it. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Just stick it in here. Wow, this snow is very light. Not sticky at all. Pretty sure you just saw that. Just kick it like that. You kick it out here. Measure it here. Right here I measured about 6 inches. And over here, stick this down. I measured it's 9.5 inches. So see, I don't know if this part of the driver was shoveled already and they repiled again the snow, so it's hard to tell. Oh, it's freezing. I mean, look at the drift over here. I mean, if I was to measure this would be 18-inch drift. So it's pretty crazy. Alright, so thanks for watching YouTube. As I said, the snow's pretty light right now, so I'll try to make a video during the night, capture. It'll be a short video at the snow. I won't be going out because it'll be late. I'll have another video from my computer showing the radar. Actually, look at this drift. Wow, this is crazy. Alright, so I must head inside now because I'm gonna freeze. Oh, I'm gonna freeze. I got it off. So bye YouTube. Thanks for watching.